Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a quick fall look. Very simple, very easy. So if y'all interested in this look, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and put on your post notification bells so y'all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm starting off with my Fenty foundation in the shade 400, and I'm using my Real Techniques beauty sponge blender, whatever you want to call it, and I am applying my makeup, my foundation, all over my face, and I'm blending it in really well. I know it looks a bit orange, but it will oxidize. I love this foundation. I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be wearing it in the wintertime because it's matte, it's dry. Not only do I love this foundation, I love mixing it with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. I don't know, but I love mixing my products, and these two combined are amazing. If you have not tried mixing your foundations, I don't know where you've been. If you have not tried mixing these two foundations, I don't know where you've been. If I didn't mention, this shade is 355. Anyway, my beauty blender is, or not my beauty blender, but my Real Technique sponge. It is damp, it is clean, and you do want to do this with a damp sponge because it blends well while it's wet. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. I've been obsessed with this concealer, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I've been obsessed. I'm not sure what shade this is. I'll leave it in the description bar down below, but I'm pretty sure it's the last shade in their concealer line. They don't have many shades, but this shade is bomb. It feels amazing on the skin. I know it kind of blends in with my complexion, and I'm not going for a bright contour, a bright highlight. But I am going to use this Makeup Revolutions setting powder. I believe it's in the shade Banana Deep or Deep Banana, one of the two. And I'm only putting it in the places that I applied the concealer just to highlight a little bit. I don't know if you would consider this as baking, but I am going to set that concealer, if that makes a difference. I love applying it around my nose because I get really oily in the corners of my nose, so that's why I always make sure I grab the corners. Now I'm going to let that powder sit, and I'm going to apply my powder foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me as well in the shade 355. This is matte as well, and I'm only applying it in the areas where I lied. I'm applying it all over. I'm actually going to dust the setting powder away with this powder as well, just to make it look a little even and blend out and not too cakey on the skin. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance. This is a foundation, this is a foundation powder as well. It's a shade or two deeper than my complexion. I normally use it to kind of contour with, even though it's really not going to show up on camera, but I do go a couple of shades up just to contour it. I love this Black Radiance powder. It's bomb. I love all these products because the prices are right. I'm not even gonna lie. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. What is this, y'all? I'm getting a brain freeze right now. My e.l.f. blush in the shade Rose, Deep Rose. I'm not sure. I'll leave it in the description bar down below as well. I'm doing this voiceover without the products. I'm not sure what they are. Then I'm going in with this highlighter. I'm not even sure what highlighter this is. I'll leave it in the description bar down below as well. I go in and pretty heavy with this highlighter. I'm obsessed, but I will use a big fluffy brush to kind of blend everything together. So it looks a bit much right now, but in the end it will not look like this. Oh, so this is my dollar store highlighter. It's actually a bronzer, but I do use it to highlight with. So I have a video coming soon on that product, so keep a lookout for that. But I am going in with my one of my favorite palettes, and it's my Morphe palette. If you all can see, I have reached pan on this actual shade. I forgot what the name of the shade is. Like I said, everything will be listed down below, but I have reached pan with the shade. This shade is an everyday go-to shade. It blends so well. It goes with every outfit, every lipstick, every makeup look you can think of. This shade goes with it. You can use it as a transitional color. You can use it for a color on its own. And as you can tell, I use this gold shade as well quite often. These two shades I would wear these shades every day if I could, and that's probably why I reach pan on those. Now I'm going in with my setting spray, and the setting spray is by Hard Candy, and it is a matte setting spray. It's bomb. It's $6 at Walmart. I'll leave it down below as well. Now I'm going to take my hair out of this high pineapple. I need my hair washed like a week ago, but I'm loving the volume. I'm loving the definition right now. I'm obsessed. I don't know why I'm making these faces, y'all. Excuse these ugly faces, but y'all, I'm loving the volume on my hair. It's amazing. Now I'm going to try to gel down these edges. Now, I've told you guys before, this product is bomb. It's by Cream of Nature. It's bomb. But you all, when it dries, it is horrible. It's horrible. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished results. My hair needed to be washed like 3 days ago, but I'm loving the volume. So I might for winter's sake, I'm thinking about going longer between my washes. So literally, you know, keeping the hair moisturized and tucked away. So I don't know yet. Tell me what y'all think. But anyway, this is the hair. This is the look. Guys, this look is so simple, so easy. Anybody can do it. But if you all like today's video, please hit that like button. Please share. Please comment. Please subscribe. And put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.